Glue box is last and a crucial process for packaging. If there is some problem with the gluing process, means the waste of time, labor and materials of printing, die cutting. And the most common problem of the gluing box is low glue intensity. Continuous application with packaging materials, the requirements of consumers are constantly improving. And more innovations in packaging surface treatment process have brought new challenges to the paste box. Traditionally, the common treatment methods for opening the glue, changing glue, grinding, and embedding without processing surface treatment, etc. But the effect is often unsatisfactory in actual production. So is there a way to solve the opening problem once for all? Plasma surface treatment technology, a new surface treatment technology. The plasma generated by the plasma surface treatment machine can make the molecular structure of the product surface become active again, which can effectively improve the surface adhesion effect of the product. After testing, whether it is film, UV or gold and silver covered, after the plasma surface treatment, the product surface cause value jump from 30 to more than 40, which makes it easier to stick the glue box. Plasma surface treatment machine installation is simple and convenient even at a speed of 300 meters per minute. Can be simultaneously synchronized. The opening rate of packaged products treated with a plasma surface treatment machine is reduced to 1 in 100,000. Believe in China manufacturer, believe in KQ technology.